Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by pulling a clean double shot. Aim for 36 to 40 seconds so the crema is stable. While the espresso extracts, steam 150 to 180 ml whole milk to about 60 to 65 degrees C with fine microfoam. Stretch, then polish the pitcher so the texture is glossy. Once done, pour the espresso into a wide cup and swirl to level the crema. Make sure to keep your squeeze bottle ready. You tilt the cup slightly and start pouring low to place a dense white circle on the crema. This becomes the panda head. Once the circle is established, raise the pitcher a little and pull through to elongate into a body shape, controlling flow so foam stays bright. When the head is set, perform a short, gentle wiggle near the top to suggest ear outlines, then cut the pour cleanly. Make sure to keep your hand steady so shapes remain rounded and centered. You finish by placing eyes and nose with a fine tip squeeze bottle filled with melted cocoa, drawing 2 teardrop shapes and a small oval for the nose. Connect a tiny curved line for the mouth. Once the primary marks are done, use a toothpick to nudge edges for symmetry and a damp towel to wipe stray cocoa. If the foam breaks or sinks, stop, re-steam a small amount of milk cooler and repolish before retrying. This keeps the surface stable for crisp panda features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.